What's up, Java? What's up, Lito?
What's up, bro? Hey, Noe.
Bro, can you believe the fucking modem in my apartment has been down for 7 days?
Damn.
Yeah, no, I haven't been able to play Warzone.
Oh, no wonder.
Yeah, dude, I've been arguing on the phone with the people for the past 3-4 days. They fixed it yesterday.
I bet they're Indian. Was the Indians talking to you?
Nah, well, I don't even know it because they got this little program where they text you. They don't talk to you.
Engage all hostiles.
Yeah.
Which I think is better way.
Yeah.
Inserting armor.
I'm over here just texting and they like all the dudes.
Mark the point on your map.
15 from the house.
Capture and secure it to get ahead of the next gas.
Almost nearby. On top.
Going down.
Last mag.
Y'all been playing for a minute?
I think this is our third.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Damn, that's a good minute.
Your squad mate has
Yeah, what
reached the
time is it?
intel.
I'm
Joining
probably
them will
play
speed
for
up
an
the
hour or two.
process.
Oh shit, it's pretty late already.
Oh, it's 10:30, bro.
Órale. Nah, in that case, yeah, I'll probably play till like 2.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I'm not your enemy.
Almost nearby.
Well done, soldier. Check your map for the next gas spread location.
That's our field upgrade.
They're trying to get loaded.
Do we have enough? There we go, people.
One more person.
Changing mags.
No one got armor box?
We got a blue
armor.
card. I'll give you some here.
Appreciate it.
Oh, cool.
Are we taking this motherfucker?
I don't know, I just kinda wanted to see if you had teammates around.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Oh shit,
Oh,
he
yeah,
does.
he
They're
did.
shooting.
Changing mags.
Got him.
Inserting armor.
¿Pero era uno?
Sí, güey.
Oh no, there's
Someone
another
shooting at
one
me.
right here.
Incoming stun. I'm not your
I'm
enemy.
coming.
Yeah,
There's only
muerto.
one.
Setting waypoint.
Agarrate un contrato.
Por allá hay uno. Kind of far.
Yeah,
though.
man. Let's go to yellow, drop off the money.
Got some loot here. Setting waypoint.
Loadout drop headed your way.
I'm reloading.
Confirmed.
Oh shit. Dale, güey, pa' acá. There's people. I got one. I don't know if there's more.
Visual on the enemy. Enemies are moving. Guess what, guys?
Another one.
Sit down.
Changing max.
Let's go.
Hey, wait, anybody got plates?
I'll give it the extra
Yeah,
ones.
Got some loot here.
Got armor here.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I got an armor box, but I'm trying to save it.
Yeah, it's good. Just save it.
Vehicle marked.
Can you make me a sandwich? Hey, Tara, can you believe I still call it that?
What?
A sandwich.
Oh.
Hey,
Hey,
cut
this
it
shit
off.
don't
I'm not your enemy.
fuck that motherfucker.
Got a contract here.
Como siempre, Chad tiene the most kills.
Is someone here or what?
You've got a loadout drop
No,
inbound.
creo.
Oh no.
Check your map. A box of
There's
points
people
containing
who go
enemy
with
intel
that.
Setting
nearby.
waypoint.
Capture it for information on the next gas spread. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocating.
I'm down.
Intel point activated. Now ensure the point is secure.
Changing max.
Do you have a charger?
Intel point captured. Great work. You've earned a peek at the next gas spread. Gas is moving.
Loading fresh mag.
Your squad
Most
mate is
wanted.
marked as the most wanted target. Kill enemies and secure supply caches to help remove the bounty on their head.
Changing max.
Yeah, it's charging. Appreciate it.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Dropping into the AO.
¿De dónde marqué hay gente, güey?
Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. Bueno,
You kept
güey.
your squad mate in one piece. Contract complete.
Setting waypoint.
Otro
Your
mojón.
squad mate is the most wanted target.
Para que tengamos
Eliminate
lana.
threats and secure supply caches to reduce the time in the contract.
No, I'm gonna get you a self revive.
Enemies are dropping into the
Appreciate it.
area. Watch the skies.
Trucha,
Hay alguien
trucha.
ahí, watch out.
Ahí viene alguien.
Changing mags.
Vale.
Watch out, there's somebody flying the mountain.
Guess what, guys?
Oye, aquí hay una escuadra.
Damn, hay bastantes ahí.
UAV.
Oh, there's somebody coming up on the right.
Oh my god, this is a UAV.
Why did you do that?
Sir,
Your squad
one
mate
minute.
survived.
That would
Contract
get you,
complete.
man.
You kept your squad mate alive. Most wanted contract.
That sounds suspicious.
Buy station here.
Ya comí the buy station again. It's
Yeah, that
Gas
sounds
is closing in.
You
Ooh,
I have
that's
one
funny.
secret. You know your
buy
packing
station, buy
security.
station.
Guess what, guys?
Changing mag.
So I had to call you back.
Hey, who else is sniping?
Me.
Yeah, I got a sniper too.
Oh, no shit. Yeah, cause I would see I shoot him once y ya para la otra then que dead.
Let's go.
The fuck?
Vehicle
I'm
marked.
gonna get me a precision airstrike. Just in
I got
case.
one. Dale.
Okay.
Aquí está feria, güey. Vengan a agarrarla. No aguanto eso.
Yeah, man.
Oh, so puto. Oh, that's crazy. I'm gonna clip that too.
Get to the
You're by
safe
yourself.
zone. You're losing ground. Move it.
Oh, something.
Yeah, he ain't finna die.
I'm going to y'all.
Vehicle marked.
You could drive. Shit, I don't know. Wherever you wanna go.
Thank you.
Hey, did he kill that guy?
Changing mag.
Nah, you did.
I hear someone else. There's two people.
One down. There's 2 people right here.
Positive ID on the bounty targets. Hunt them down.
¿Qué hay otro, güey?
All bounty targets destroyed.
Ahí están
No
dos.
mames. Otro, güey, allá.
A ver si salgo de la gulag.
Fucking piece of shit camper, bro.
Yeah.
No.
Your squad mates in the gulag.
Sí, vale,
If they
güey.
survive, they
¿Qué? ¿Se los mamaron a todos ustedes?
Changing
No,
mags.
I was about to.
I say I'm glad I gave all my money to Lipe. Si no, me hubiera perdido todo.
Yeah, for real.
Ahorita, güey, si no lo hago, you buy me back.
Yeah, I will.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
But I doubt it.
Got some loot here.
Ooh, got him.
Squad mate has been cleared for redeployment.
Where y'all niggas at?
Setting waypoint.
Bro.
There's some
Gas is
stairs right
inbound.
here.
Marking new safe zone.
On there?
Scrubs up.
Got some loot here.
Oh, that's where you're done? Yeah.
I'm like in my. Yeah.
Enemy soldier incoming. Move to the safe
Changing
zone.
mags.
Gas is moving.
Setting waypoint.
Calma los ojos, güey. There's gonna be people running from the storm.
Which one do you think?
That's our field upgrade.
I'll give you a hint. It's a fish. Yeah. It's this.
Setting waypoint.
Wait, here the name. Wait, no,
Setting
that, no,
waypoint.
that. Got him. Easily got him last. Yeah, it's that one.
Enemy UAV is online.
Yeah, let me know if you find a satchel, man. I'm trying to find one, but I haven't.
Okay.
Inserting armor.
Gas
Changing
is
mags.
closing in. Relocating safe zone. No more fighting in the gulag.
Requesting recon above.
UAV available for
A ver, no sé si quieren ir para este lado que hay un verga.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Priority tasking request received. We're done.
No armor satchel, bro. Nada.
Shit.
Run, buy station
Hey, there's a
here.
buy station.
Watch out,
if
bro.
anybody's
There's
trying to buy
someone right
anything.
here.
Moving here.
Watch out, there's someone right there, bro. Oh, armor satchel right here.
Got them niggas with
appreciate that.
precision airstrike. Hold on, I got a precision
Setting
airstrike
waypoint.
on me.
Disregard. Not
Head
far
to the
enough.
safe
Nice.
zone. Gas is closing in.
That's just that
I'll take
shit.
that.
Appreciate it.
Got some loot here.
You're welcome.
You're in the top 5. Bring home the win.
You carachos.
Fucking
Setting
cockroaches.
waypoint.
Hey, they're hiding right here in this little blue building. Ah, fucking
Yeah,
bitch.
man.
That had real. It's time.
Vale.
Man, they took off with your car.
Ok, déjalo.
Most wanted contract here.
Oh, fuck. It's too
Ya
late
muy
now.
tarde para que me
Most
compre, en
wanted.
verdad, sí.
Sí, güey.
I was gonna get the most wanted, but it's too late now.
No hay.
What? So it's real?
Gas is moving in.
Eyes on
New
enemy.
safe zone located.
What?
Loading fresh mag.
Supply
Wait,
crates
how
are
you said it
restocked.
was
Advise you
key.
to load up now.
Wait, how you said it was key.
You're in the top 3.
Nice.
Don't let up now.
Hell yeah. Oh shit, hey, they're sniping, watch out.
Mark it. Where?
No sir, bro, no sir.
Moving here.
Probably there.
Párate para que te disparen otra vez. Para que mires de dónde
Hell
viene.
no.
I mean, you put your blades back on. He won't be able to kill you.
Gas is inbound.
Sí. Mira más para la izquierda, güey.
That's our field upgrade.
Yeah. Where? Oh shit.
Yeah.
Puta.
On your feet.
Is that the last dude?
Gas is inbound. Mark new safe zone.
Requesting recon
That's the
above.
gayest kill that I've ever seen, bro. Shit.
Eyes on enemy.
Fuck it.
That's
So
our
cool.
field upgrade.
Both of them are right there, bro. Get X around them. Both of them are there.
Head to the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
UAV is bingo fuel. Returning to base.
Setting waypoint.
You watching, right? They gotta come out. That little house eventually.
Hostile airstrike incoming.
Changing mags. Setting blast trap.
Your left side, bro. Left side.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Nice shit, bro.
Mission accomplished. All
Damn.
targets eliminated.
They weren't
Good
able to
shit.
camp anymore, so yeah, they lost.
Yeah, they were fucked.
2 versus 2, baby. Let's go.
You want to run me back?
Hell yeah.
Alright.